Let's go into our Whissel widget of the week. Like I said, this is something that we use in our life, saves us time, helps us make more money, or just helps us have more fun. Jeremy, I'll let you go first so you can pass it back to me.
Pass.
Do you want me to go first?
Sure.
So one of the things that I use, we use this on...
You better not steal mine. I swear to God. Because I got one.
We use this when we film our video show. It is a small rotating plate. It's about 6 inches in diameter. That means from one edge of the circle to the other edge of the circle, Jeremy, through the middle.
Pi r squared.
Oh, shit. I think that's not right. Is that right?
No, I don't know. It's right for something. I don't know about that.
It's a small circular plate. We've been using the same one for 7 years now, and they no longer sell it. I'll give Tom the link. He'll put the photo up, and I'll put the link in the notes below. But it's you can Google it. It's called a rotating display stand. It's about $20 on Amazon, and it's USB powered, so you can charge it up and then put it wherever. Ours uses C batteries. That's how old it is. I had to take it from my boom box to use my C batteries. But this little rotating display stand has a little mirror on top. And what's great about this is you can put something that you're showcasing. We usually use our food. You can use swag, whatever you want to do, and it'll spin it in a circle. And so you can get really cool, unique shots of your item that you can use in your marketing. So I probably should have started with that. Jeremy finally was like, I understand what it is.
I was really curious where you're going with that.
Tom, if you can just overlay one of the shots of food when I start talking about this, so that way people can see it on YouTube, I'd appreciate that. But it's about $20, and that's my Whissel widget of the week.
Nice.
And you have one?
I don't know if it counts as a widget.
Yeah, it counts.
I'm the least techie person.
I think Kyle's used it before.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah. I mean, the closest thing I have to a tech widget of the week is that I forget to do things. Whether it's like, I think we've all gotten that, like, you get a text message and you're like, okay, I got to text that person back, but then your phone rings, or like, you're like, oh, I'm running into a meeting, I'll text them back afterwards. And I know if I go into that meeting, there's no way I'm texting that person back after the meeting. So I am a big fan of just pulling out my phone and saying, Siri, remind me to blah, blah, blah at blah, blah, blah time. And then I just throw reminders in my phone on the spot for anything that pops in my head in that moment. I've trained myself to set a reminder for either in an hour and a half or at this time, so that, and I get a lot of reminders from Siri throughout the day because of that, but it's worth it because it's a lot of remind me to call, seller A back, remind me to text back this agent.
Yeah, and it's great because you can do it when you're driving. You can do it really anywhere. You don't need a pen and paper. It's always there for you.
Yes.
Cool, dude. I like it. Well, Jeremy, thank you for joining us for this week's episode of the Whissel Way podcast. We will see you all next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.